Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to separate audio tracks in OBS. And right here, I'm going to have my OBS Studio, which is actually the one I'm using right now. So the first thing you want to do here is, of course, expand it just a little bit for you guys to see it properly. Next up, make sure we are going to be updated. So this works for 28.0 and above. And then to update it, make sure you click on Help and then look for the one that says check for updates here. This one right there. Mine has just been updated yesterday, I think, so 3 or 31.0.3 is going to be the latest version for my end. Now, next up, open the settings. And then once you're here, go to audio. So you're going to select desktop audio for the one you're using. On my end, I'm using the speakers. And then for your mic, choose the one you're using right now, which is the one I'm using, is the GGM20 USB microphone. Now, once that's settled, I want you to go to output. So for output, this is going to be a little bit more crucial. So please follow to the point. Now, just make sure you're going to be on advanced on the output mode. So for streaming, make sure you select to Atroc or Audio Atroc 1. And then for the VOD track, set it to 2. Now for the next one, we're going to talk about recording right now. Now under recording, of course, make sure you select this audio tracks. So as you can see, they're grayed out on mine because right now I'm currently recording on OBS. Anyway, just make sure you select the tracks you want to save. Now, given that streaming track 1 and 2 are going to use on streaming, for recording, make sure these are unchecked. Now, once everything is settled, you might want to add a new source. Click the plus icon, click application beta, and for this one, simply click on OK. And that being said, choose the application that you want to capture. Or basically for this one, we're going to call it Discord. Should be the one right here. Look for the one that says Discord. Also, guys, make sure, of course, Discord is open on your end. That's why I cannot see Discord here right now, because Discord is not open on my end. Anyway, once you open Discord right there, you should showing on this part right there. Alright? Now, once that's done for Discord, make sure you repeat the process for other applications that you want to add. And then once right there, everything is added right here. Click the three dots and look for the one that says Properties. Make sure this is going to be the third option right there. Alright? Now, once you're good for that one, go for Advanced Properties right there. For the tracks, again, guys, make sure if you're using VOD, select 3, 4, 5, 6. Since earlier, we make sure that 1, 2 is for streaming. Remember? Just set it as specific as you can and you'll be good to go. Repeat the process all throughout and you'll be good to go. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.